Hello?
Hi, this is Kara with American Senior Citizens Care. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, playing guitar.
Okay. Well, I'm calling to inform you about a new state-regulated final expense insurance plan that has just been approved in your state, and it covers 100% cost of your funeral expenses. Would you like to learn more about it?
About my funeral expenses? Yeah, I would.
Okay. May I ask, how old are you?
I'm 61.
All right. Are you capable enough to make your own financial decisions?
I hope so. I'm capable enough to answer the telephone.
Great. Let me bring the state licensed product specialist on the line to share information with you. Please hold.
Boop.
Thanks for holding on the line. My name is Anna. I'm a file expense product specialist. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. My name is Elsa. Hello?
That's great. So we are independent insurance brokerage that is appointed 40 different insurance companies and licensed in 42 states, helping about 2,000 families a year for whole life insurance. So how old are you?
61.
61.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. And in order to pull up
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to say, do you insure cars and motorcycles too?
You need auto insurance as well?
Yes, I need that too because I don't never know when my car's going to die. And I have to get it fixed.
How many vehicles? How many cars you have? 1, 2, or 3?
Well, actually, I got 4 and 2 motorcycles.
All right. First of all, I give you the whole life insurance. So second, I give you the auto insurance as well. All right.
Okay, can you put them together?
It's not the auto insurance. It's not the auto insurance. It's a whole life insurance.
What, for the whole life of a car?
No, it's your whole life insurance. It's your life policy.
Oh, my whole life.
Not auto insurance.
Oh, but
Yes.
what if my car dies first?
No, sir. It's not an auto insurance.
Not a motorcycle?
So, we are independent. We are independent insurance brokerage that is appointed 40 different insurance companies and licensed in 42 states, helping about 2,000 families a year for whole life insurance. So how old are you?
I'm 64.
But you say you are 61.
Right, 61, uh-huh.
And in order to pull up the rates from your local area, what's your zip code?
309741.
Sorry, say again.
307491. I think.
Shit.
Something like that. Hello? Did you hang up on me again? Dadgummit, you hung up on me again.